Good morning. My name is Todd Harris. Thanks for this opportunity to introduce you to our game development studio. That's right, at Hi-Rez Studios, we look at technology as simply a means to let computer gamers all over the world interact with one another, blow up robots, jetpack through the air. What could be better? Let's take a quick look at our title in this preview video.
They always warned us that if we weren't careful, our technology would outrun our humanity. The way I see it, it's finally getting interesting.
February 1st of this past year, Global Agenda was released. We were fortunate enough to bring home numerous Best of Show awards from gaming's most prestigious convention, the E3 show. We also launched as the #1 title on Steam, which is basically the iTunes of PC gaming. And now we have a player community of over 50,000 and growing. So what makes Global Agenda unique from the many other game offerings? I want to talk about 3 specific innovations. First, game design. With Global Agenda, we actually have a hybrid game design that combines the best of the 2 most popular gaming genres. You may be familiar with accessible action games, such as the Halo franchise on the console, easy to get into. On the other extreme, there are very deep, massively multiplayer online games, such as World of Warcraft, that allow thousands of players to interact, but the gameplay is typically very slow-paced. Uniquely, with Global Agenda, we deliver fast-paced gameplay with the depth and the scope of a massively multiplayer online game. There's a lot of technical challenges associated with doing this, but it's a very unique offering. Innovation number 2, high-resolution, high-fidelity graphics and animation. In the case of an MMO game, there is a rich client running on your PC. But as I move through the air and jetpack and swing my sword, those positional data are transferred real-time to high-res hosted servers, and then back again to every other player I might be interacting with in the universe. This is a very complex, technical, demanding operation. And so in some cases, sacrifices have to be made in graphics or animation fidelity. But in the case of Global Agenda, as you saw briefly, it's very high-resolution graphics and fluid gameplay. This is based on 3D rendering technology, custom animation solutions, and very optimized network and server code, ultimately resulting in more immersion for the user. Finally, number 3, importantly, we allow users all over the globe to interact within a single virtual universe. Basically, we make it easy to play with your friends. This is not commonplace within our type of game. With a typical massively multiplayer online game, if I were to join in February and my friend Pete joins in March, it would actually be very difficult for us to find each other within the world because we would be on different named servers. In Global Agenda, we didn't want any arbitrary server to come between playing with your friends because it is all about the connection, as has been a theme in today's conference. Players want to play with or sometimes against their friends. And in the case of Global Agenda, we have a single shard universe and on-demand instancing that basically means I can always find another player anywhere across the globe and interact with that player via text chat, voice chat, grouping functions, so I can play with them as I choose. In summary, entertainment software is an $11 billion industry. At Hi-Rez, we think we have something pretty unique that we're offering with Global Agenda. If you want to see more gameplay than we were able to show, please stop by our booth. That'll also give you a chance to score a copy for yourself if you'd like. Thank you very much.